Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Basic Thermodynamics, Unit 6 Introduction to Fuels and Combustion, we are going to start with the equations. So, these equations will tell you how oxygen or amount of air is required for the combustion of a fuel. So, let us see it in details. So, you can see here these equations are helpful to calculate the amount of oxygen required to burn the fuel. So, these equations will definitely help us to find out the oxygen requirement for the fuel. Instead of supplying only oxygen, the fuel is generally burned in presence of air, and air is a combination, or it contains mainly O2, that is oxygen, and nitrogen with small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, where so nitrogen and other gases in air do not take part in the chemical reaction. As you know that nitrogen is an inert gas and it will not take, or it will not participate in the reaction. So, the composition of air is approximately as given under. So, 21% by volume and 79% by volume, that is nitrogen, it consists of 100%. So, 1 mole of oxygen and 3.76 moles of nitrogen, it will give a total of 4.67 moles of air. And on mass basis, so on mass basis 23%, that is 1 kg of air, it will consist of 23% of, or if you consider 1 kg of oxygen and 3.35 kgs of nitrogen, it will form 4.35 kgs of air, and it will consist of almost, that is 100%. So, these gases, as I told you, these are neglected because they don't participate in the chemical reaction. So, mass fraction, what do you understand by mass fraction? So, the ratio of mass of a constituent of a mixture or a compound to the total mass of mixture or compound is called as the mass fraction. So, consider the example of CH4. So, molecular mass of CH4 is 12 plus 4 into 1. That is for carbon, it is again, it will give you 16 kgs, that is on mass basis. Okay. So, in which C is 12 kgs and hydrogen is 4 kgs. You can see 12 kgs carbon, 4 kgs of hydrogen. So, mass fraction of carbon, so by the definition you can write mass of carbon upon mass of fuel. So, how much is the mass of fuel? Mass of fuel is 16 kgs. How much is mass of carbon? It is 12 kgs. So, 12 upon 16, it will give you 0.75, that is 75% of the fuel. It will be carbon. Similarly, you can find it out for the H2. So, mass of H2 upon mass of fuel, that is mass of H2 is 4 and mass of fuel is 16. So, it will be 0.25 and which is 25%, right. Now, mole fraction, what do you understand by mole fraction? Now, let us see what is a mole fraction. So, the ratio of volume of gas in a mixture to the total volume of mixture is called as the mole fraction. It is also equal to the ratio of number of moles of the gas in a mixture to the total number of moles of the mixture. So, if you consider, for example, octane gas, that is C8H18, the number of moles of carbon are 8, whereas that of H2 are 9. So, the total number of moles are what? carbon 8 and hydrogen 9. So it will come out to be in total as 17. So mole fraction of carbon, again by definition, number of moles of carbon, total number of moles, that is 17, that is 8 upon 17, it will come out to be 0.747, that is 47%. Similarly, that is by mole fraction of hydrogen, if you want to find out number of moles of hydrogens, that is H2, and total number of moles, that is 17, 9 upon 17, it will come out to be 0.53, that is 53%. So thank you friends, thank you very much.